The economic order quantity has been a proven model across many venues and is a commonly used technique to control inventory. The objective is to minimize the total cost of the inventory. Here are the assumptions of the economic order quantity. And as you can see, the first two are deterministic in nature, meaning that we know what it is. So we know what the demand is, and we know what the lead time is. And of course, we have the receipt of the inventory is instantaneous, and we know what the cost is, so there's another deterministic factor. On the other hand, we have variable cost. And those variable costs include cost of ordering and carrying and holding. And the key is that we want to avoid stockouts and shortages. Well, what happens to inventory over time? Well, we have an inventory level, and we call that level that we started is the maximum inventory level. And we give that value a letter Q. And of course, what happens realistically in the sense of understanding what's going on, we have an inventory. And with this inventory, our inventory is going to be depleted. And how far can our inventory be depleted? Well, our inventory can actually be depleted down to zero. Well, what happens when we get our inventory at zero? Well, ideally, we want that inventory to get to zero and then automatically replenish our stock. And then we let it go back down to zero, then automatically or instantaneously replenish our stock. And that's what this diagram shows.